shack on the edge of town is where I'll be when the sun goes down. Big money bird dog barking out back, wouldn't trade a man for a Cadillac. Kinda wanna pay my old dirt road. Went to the courthouse, said hell no.
It's a country thing, it's a fish on a string, Mary Jane chomping on a chicken wing. It's a tire swing on the riverbank. It's the way we talk, it's the way we sing. It's either in your blood or it ain't. It's a country thing.
Know my girl since she was 14. She's the first runner-up to the Hard County Cotton Queen. She was raised on cornbread, purple whole peas. She turns them heads at the feed and see. She rides in the middle of my four-wheel drive, got a honey hole way back in the pine.
It's a country thing, it's some cut-off jeans, paint their toes on a porch swing. Sweet like sugar cane, come a good rain, make a little love while the tin roof sings. It's either in your blood or it ain't. It's a country thing.
It's a country thing, barefoot and crazy, fried grain tomatoes, that's the sawmill gravy. Take pride in working hard for a living, pray before meals and feels good giving. Back to the needy, greedy is not us. Thank God for it, even if it ain't much. That's how it does it down here in the mud. What else can I say, y'all? It's in my blood.
It's either in your blood or it ain't.
That's how it does it around here.
It's either in your blood or it ain't.
Come on, y'all.
It's a country thing.